Hi.
Hey, so we are getting the new weather strip to go in and put in place. And I noticed something. I'm like, the screws are all different lengths and the heads are cut off on almost all of them, on all of the convertible top pieces. Like if you take a look in here, let me grab my light. See that?
Oh, yeah.
The heads are cut off because they're the wrong screws. And I mean, if you look over here, it's all the way through. I'm not taking any chances because when you come down here, when I put the screw in right here, and if you watch, that's very close to puncturing the top with that screw. So I'm going to change out the screws on this one to be on the safe side. I'm not taking any chances. So I want you guys to see that before I kind of did that. But you can see on this screw, they cut the head off, or they cut part of the screw off. Why not just put the right screw in the first place? And I don't get it. Okay, well, that's what we get paid for.
And then up here, the firewall to the hood seal is in. It came with the plastic clips in it, so it was just literally pull out the old one and slap that one in.
Yep. In, out, and done. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am.
So what are we? We're gonna do the screws.
Yeah, I gotta find some screws that'll match it. So I found one. I know I may have more. I just don't want to take any chances. I mean, that convertible top is still good. You know?
Yeah, that convertible top is like mint.
Yeah.
And then, I don't think we did a video on this, but on those 3-point seat belts, we actually have to drill and rivet like through the body panels.
Yep, through the plastic.
So I don't know if that was made clear to William or not. So we're gonna hold off on that and just talk to him about that. Yeah, just until we get a hold of him and go, hey, by the way, blah 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 blah. Is this what you want us to do? Yeah, because you have to drill a reasonably sized hole.
Yeah.
To
and
get
I don't want to take any chances with somebody's car that's not mine.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I'd love to say, oh, I make millions of dollars a year. If it breaks, I'll just buy a new one. No, I don't make that type of money. This is a sandbox I've never played in. So, but yeah, I don't want to take any chances. We'll wait, make sure that the client knows before we do anything as to what's going on. And if he gives us the approval, we'll do it. If not, it's not going to be done. It's as simple as that, you know. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, William, we'll see you on the next one.